Alright guys, back in with Chad. Going back to the Contenders case we were working on yesterday. Starting off box number 7. Good luck, buddy. May the Super Bowl ticket be with you. Wayne, what's going on, buddy? I know video, for some reason it's not very good right now. Again, use this. Use the flash variation. Oh wow, Joe, nice hit yesterday on the game use, man. Yeah, man, sorry the video's so bad. I don't know what's going on. Seems like this website's been having issues for the past few days. Here we go. Amara Darboh, championship ticket autograph, numbered 8/15. Solid start. Jamal Adams /199. We've got a Ahkello Witherspoon rookie ticket. Dak Prescott playoff ticket, $249. Malik Hooker championship ticket autograph, number /25. Another solid piece. Devontae Mays base ticket, and Tyus Bowser playoff ticket autograph, number /99. 3 numbered hits in this one. And redemption, Kareem Hunt. Do it. Wayne Gallman. Wayne Gallman, rookie ticket, RPS. Round out box 1. Yep. Got Wayne Gallman, Tyus Bowser /99, Devontae Mays base, Malik Hooker /25 championship ticket variation, Dak Prescott playoff ticket /249, Ahkello Witherspoon rookie ticket, Jamal Adams /199 rookie of the year insert, and the championship ticket autograph /15 Amara Darboh. Yeah, definitely not a bad box. Box 3. believe it's called Blog TV. And it was bought out by, yeah, I can't remember what it was bought out by, but it was terrible after they sold it. Oh, Blog TV was amazing. You could co-host and everything. That was really fun. Those are the days. Brian Hoyer, championship ticket to 99. Autograph Austin Eckler. And Kenny Golladay variation. Josh Woodrum. And Brad Kaya variation. Panini Rewards, 600 points. And base. All right. Second one not as good as the first one. All right, now we're going left bottom. Left bottom. I'm not on YouTube right now. Left bottom. What's up? You like that? What do you think about that? Hey guys, again, you gotta get on this line. William & Mary laying 1.5 against Northeastern. Bet it big and bet it often today. Jeremy McNichols variation on card. Jamison Crowder, playoff ticket, 249. And Aaron Donald, NFL Inc. to 99. He's pretty good. Matt Milano, playoff ticket autograph to 99. Devon Gotcha. Base auto. Gachu. And Josh Malone. Base ticket. Followed by Elijah McGuire. And base.
Yeah, Breakers TV is really good. What are you doing?
Breakers TV is real good. All right, I will hold the rest, buddy. Appreciate it, man.